When you want to efficiently and conveniently handle paper waste, a paper shredder is your reliable assistant. A paper shredder is suitable for various types of materials, including paper, credit cards, magnetic cards, CDs, DVDs, scrap paper, and notes, among others. Moreover, the shredded paper generated by the paper shredder can undergo further processing to create new paper-based products. These paper shreds can be transformed into packaging materials, cardboard, paper bags, and more, providing the manufacturing industry with cost-effective raw materials and reducing production costs. Creative individuals can also use colored shredded paper for crafting purposes, such as making greeting cards and gift packaging. In summary, a paper shredder is a versatile device that can be widely used in homes, offices, and workplaces. Whether you need to destroy old documents or create creative handicrafts, a paper shredder is an indispensable tool.